Today, we'll be demonstrating the product setup for the Jet Industrial Combination Belt and 12-inch disc finishing machine. Be sure to reference your instruction manual for important safety instructions, unpacking tips, and cleanup prior to assembly. Once you have the tools required, you're ready to get started. First, position the machine where it will be located on the shop floor. You can level the machine by adjusting the 4 foot-pad levelers in or out. Secure the setting by tightening each hex nut against the stand. To adjust the disc table angle, loosen the table locking knobs on either end of the table. Using a machinist square against the table and disc, set the table at exactly 90 degrees to the disc. Tighten the table locking knobs. Check the pointer. If it is not exactly on the 0 mark, loosen the pointer attaching screw, adjust the pointer, and then retighten the screw. To adjust the disc table gap, use a scale to check the gap between the edge of the table and the face of the disc. It should be very close to 3/32 of an inch. If it's much more or less than that distance, adjust it as follows. Using the access hole on the top of the disc guard, locate and loosen the 2 set screws that secure the disc to the shaft. Slide the disc in or out along its shaft until the table to disc gap is 3/32 of an inch. Tighten both set screws. To adjust the disc table miter parallelism, first set the table angle to 0. Place a scale or adjustable machinist square against either the left or right edge of the disc face and measure the distance to the miter slot edge. Adjust the table by loosening the 3 attachment screws under the table, then move the table until the distance between the miter slot and disc is equal on both sides. Tighten the 3 attachment screws. To adjust the belt table angle, loosen the table locking handle. Now flip out the stop bracket and lower the table until its adjusting screw touches the stop bracket. Next, place a machinist square against the table and belt or platen. If adjustment is required, turn the adjusting screw until the table is exactly square to the platen. Check the pointer. If it isn't on 0, loosen the pointer screw and adjust the pointer until it is. Next, tighten the pointer screw. Loosen the table lock handle and tilt the table until its stop contacts the 45-degree stop position. Using a machinist's protractor set on 135 degrees, adjust the screw until the table and platen are in correct adjustment. Do not reset the pointer after this. And finally, to adjust or replace the platen, remove the table by unscrewing the locking handling and lifting the complete table assembly from the machine. If you are adjusting the platen, loosen the 3 mounting screws to allow adjustment. Using a straight edge, adjust the platen height until it is 1/32 of an inch higher than the crown of both the drive and idler drums. Tighten the platen adjustment screws and then reinstall the table and belt. Check and adjust, if necessary, the tracking of the belt according to the instructions in our maintenance video. Finally, reinstall the guards and covers and check and adjust the table angles and miter slot squareness according to the table adjustment instructions in your owner's manual. You can now reconnect the electrical power to the machine. If you have any questions, please consult your instruction manual and don't forget that each jet tool comes with our Red Assurance Guarantee. If your jet tool needs service or repair, one of our 750 authorized service centers located in all 50 states can assist you. Contact our support team today to find a service center near you.